Okay, equations with x on both sides. Now, that could obviously be any other letter, but generally we work with x. So we got 7x plus 2 equals 3x plus 10. Now, we cannot write the building and solving steps with x in two spots because we don't know whether x is times by 7 first or times by 3 first. What is happening? So the first step comes before the building steps, and that is to cancel out the x's on one side. So I could take away 7x from both sides, and that would cancel out those. But on the left-hand side, I'd be left with negative 4x, and I'm too lazy to work with negatives at the moment. So I am going to take away 3x from both sides so that I cancel those ones out, and I'm left with 4x plus 2 equals 10. So I did the 7x take 3x is 4x. The plus 2 stayed the same. 3x take 3x gives me 0, so they disappear, and there is the 10. Now, I haven't changed my equation in any way, like I haven't unbalanced it. If this was scales, I've taken away the same thing from both sides. It's just that it's taking away x's rather than numbers. Okay, so now I'm ready to go. My equation looks like normal. It was times by 4 and 2 was added, so I will need to take 2 and divide by 4 to solve it. So take 2 from both sides. I'll be left with 4x equals 8. And then my next step was divide by 4 on both sides. And I'll be left with x equals 2. Okay, second equation. Again, x is on both sides. In this one, I could take away 3x from both sides, but I'm just going to show how to cancel out this minus 2x over here. So if we minus 2x from both sides, this would end up being minus 4x. So remembering that minus 2x gives you negative 4x. So what I'm going to do is add 2x to both sides, because adding 2x will cancel out, they will be opposite. So we get 3x plus 2x is 5x. We still have a plus 2, and we still have a 17. Okay, we are looking like a normal equation now. So it was times by 5 plus 2, take 2, divide by 5. X equals 15. Now I did forget to, on the last one, show how you can check these answers. And basically you use both sides of the equation. So where there is an x, I put a 3. So on my left-hand side I get 3 times 3 plus 2 equals 17 times 2, take 2 times 3, and I've just used brackets to show my times. So this side will be 9 plus 2, which is 11. And this side will be 17 take 6, which is 11. So that means that x is definitely a 3. Hurrah! Okay, third example. Okay, now with this one, you may think that you could take away 4x from both sides, and that would quite neatly cancel those out. Unfortunately, they are inside of a bracket, so it's sort of preoccupied with its bracket. It's not free to go. So the first step when you come across something like this is to expand. And in any time that you're confused and you think you can expand, it might help clear things up. So 2 times 4x is 8x. 2 times 2 is 4. My right-hand side was already fine. Okay, from here I'm going to take away 5x from both sides. and I'll get 3x plus 4 equals negative 2. And I can solve this, and just to save you time, I'll end up with x equals negative 2. Okay, they're all done.